Good day, viewers. Want to consider another example. In this example, we have an aeroplane flew from a city G to a city H on a bearing of 150 degrees. So let's say this is city G. The aeroplane flew. This is 90. 150 will be this city H. So 150 degrees. The bearing between G and H is the distance between G and H is 300 kilometers. So here is 300 kilometers. From here to here will be 60. So this small place will be 30. So it's alternate to this place. This place will be 30. Okay. Then it flew a distance 450 kilometers to a city J on a bearing of 60. On getting to this H, it flew 60 degrees. This 60 degrees to another city J. This city J. So here is 60 degrees. 450 kilometers. So 30 plus 60 is 90. So that simply means that this place, this angle is perpendicular. So we can then join these two together. Then the question now says that we should calculate. There are three questions here. The distance from G to J. That's the first one. The second one, how far north of H is J? Then the third question, C, how far west of H is G? So we are going to solve just one here. Then I'm going to do other two videos to solve for the second and the third. So here, this will be small h. There will be j. Then the side that opposite this will be small g. But because the angle here is 90 degrees, it shows that the triangle GJH is actually right angle triangle. We can apply Pythagoras theorem here. If you apply Pythagoras theorem here, this is the longest side. Okay, we just say h squared is equal to 300 squared plus 450 squared. And here will be 90,000 plus 450 squared is going to give us 202,500. So if you add the two together, we have 292,500. Then the square root of that is going to give us the small h. So h will now be, when we take the square root of this, we are going to get 540.8 kilometers. So h is 541 kilometer. Is approximately 541 kilometer. So h is approximately 541 kilometers. So invariably, the distance from G to J is 541. So the distance from G to J is 541 kilometers. Thank you. We are going to do another video for B and C. Thank you.